Breast size is largely determined by genetics and hormonal factors, and while there is no surefire way to reduce breast size, there are some exercises that can help to tone and strengthen the chest muscles, which may improve the appearance of your breasts. In this article, we will discuss a few exercises that can be done to target the chest muscles and potentially enhance the overall appearance of your breasts. It's important to remember that these exercises are not guaranteed to reduce breast size, but they can help to tone the chest muscles for a more defined look. Some exercises that may help to tone the chest muscles. 1. Chest presses. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Hold a pair of dumbbells or a barbell with your palms facing forward and your arms extended above your chest. Slowly lower the weight towards your chest, then press it back up to the starting position. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. Two. Push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your toes on the ground. Lower your body down towards the ground by bending your elbows, then push back up to the starting position. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. Three. Chest flies. Lie on your back with your arms extended out to the sides and a dumbbell in each hand. Slowly bring the weights together above your chest, then lower them back down to the starting position. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. Four. Incline chest press. Lie on an incline bench with a pair of dumbbells or a barbell, and your feet flat on the floor. Hold the weights with your palms facing forward, and your arms extended above your chest. Slowly lower the weights towards your chest, then push them back up to the starting position. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. Five. Cable chest flies. Stand facing a cable machine with the cables at chest height. Hold the handles with your palms facing forward and your arms extended out to the sides. Bring the handles together in front of your chest, then slowly lower them back to the starting position. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. Six. Dumbbell pullover. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Hold a dumbbell with both hands, and extend your arms above your chest. Slowly lower the weight back behind your head, keeping your arms straight. Bring the weight back up to the starting position. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. Remember to focus on maintaining good form and using a weight that challenges you but allows you to complete the recommended number of repetitions. While these exercises can help to tone and strengthen the chest muscles, they will not significantly reduce breast size.